This tutorial is on Ebsco ebooks. Returning to the library homepage, I will now demonstrate some features associated with Ebsco ebooks. All the library's Ebsco ebooks can be found in the library's Discovery search, but for this video, I will demonstrate in the Ebsco ebooks database. I select the Databases tab on the library homepage and am redirected to the A to Z list of databases. I search for ebooks in the search box to the right and select the ebook collection EBSCOhost. I am redirected to the advanced search for the EBSCOhost ebook collection. For this example, I will search for the title Stop Bullying at Work and change the field to Title to narrow my search results. In the list of results, I get a summary of the book, subjects attributed to the book, table of contents, and download options. For this demonstration, let's look at the item record by selecting the title link. This also opens the book in a screen reader, which allows me to navigate through the pages of the book. On the left-hand side, I see the options to view contents, search within the book, and an option to view my notes. Looking at the content details, I see bibliographic information such as title, author, and date. I also see publisher permissions, which tell me how many pages I can print, email, or save in a single session. The ebook availability tells me how many copies are available. In this example, there are unlimited copies available, which means that an unlimited number of people can access the book. If there was only one copy available, the user may encounter a block if the book is in use by another patron. Unlike Springer, ebooks provided through EBSCOhost have a mix of availability options. On the left-hand side, I see the table of contents and a download option in the downward-facing arrow. The download chapter allows me to download the current page in my screen reader, specific pages within the book, or the entire chapter. However, the page limit will determine how many pages can be downloaded in a single session. So, if the chapter is longer than 100 pages, you will not be able to download the entire chapter during this session. The Search Within option allows me to search the full text of the book. In this example, I will search for the word empathy. The keyword matches indicate that the word empathy was found 21 times in the book, and I can also see how many times within a specific section of the book the word empathy was used. By expanding the parts and chapters, I can see the specific page within the chapters where the word empathy is used, and I can go directly to those pages by selecting the link. At the top of the page, I see additional options such as adding to a folder, saving, emailing, and printing, sharing, permalinks, etc. The Save, Email, and Print page options are restricted by the publisher permissions. In this case, I can save, print, or email up to 100 pages during this session. For this video, I will save this section of the ebook as a PDF. When I select the Save PDF button, the file downloads to my computer. I can also choose to email it. If I want to read the entire book offline, I must download for offline reading. This requires creating an EBSCOhost account and downloading Adobe Digital Edition software. Let's begin by setting up an Ebsco account. When I select the download button, a window pops up alerting me to sign in, create an account. I select the link and am redirected to a sign-in page. Since I don't already have an account, I select the link to create one now. This requires providing my name, email address, username, password, and selecting a secret question and answer. I must also consent to the collection of personalized data. Now that I am signed into Ebsco host, a window opens allowing me to download the ebook. The maximum and default loan period for this title is 21 days, and I do have the option of changing that to fewer days. I also have the option to choose a download format, and since I am working on a desktop, I will choose PDF. I must also check the box indicating I have Adobe Digital Editions installed, since it is required for offline reading. There is a link to the Adobe Digital Editions that I can use to install and register the software. Let's do that now. On Adobe Digital Editions installation page, I select the Windows download link and the application downloads. When I open the executable file, I agree to the terms, select my setup options, and complete the installation. The next step is to create an account with Adobe Digital Editions. Now that I have Adobe Digital Editions installed and my account set up, I can go back and finish the book download. The book will download in an ASCM format, and when I open it, it will launch Adobe Digital Editions and open the book. Adobe Digital Editions offers some functionality for reading and working with the ebook. It is possible to search full text within the book, which will take you to the pages where the keywords are found. You may also bookmark certain pages by selecting the bookmark icon. By selecting the bookmark's navigation icon, you will see a list of pages that have been bookmarked. The table of contents are displayed through the Table of Contents navigation button on the navigation panel, which can be hidden using the Show Hide button. You may also highlight or add notes to the text by right-clicking or selecting the Reading tab in the menu and selecting those features. Thank you for watching this video about Ebsco eBooks.